Well, I've been seeing a doctor, dentist for several years, getting bridge work replacing my teeth. And I was having extensive issues with breaking stuff, and I went to one of his fellow surgeons to discuss getting implants, and basically it came down to they didn't want to take responsibility for my bruxing and damage I might cause. And I was referred to by one of their specialists to Dr. Jenkins' office.
Okay. Was that specialist also a prosthodontist like Dr. Jenkins?
To some degree, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And so when you came to Dr. Jenkins' office, what experience did you have that made you want to work with him?
I liked it just because he had a game plan when I first came in, and he informed me of the other dentists that he worked with, and how long the procedure would take, and it just seemed like he had a lot of confidence. And even though I told him about the extreme difficulties I was having, he always reassured me that it wouldn't be a problem in the long run.
Mm-hmm. And your overall experience as far as like with treatment and the process of getting to the point where you are now?
It was actually very, very good. I'm kind of tight financially, and I feel like his office went above and beyond the call of duty with all the issues I had from my bruxing. I had a little concern in the back of my mind, because I know how severe I grind, but now that I've had my teeth in for a little while, I feel quite comfortable. I feel that they did a very good job.
Would you do it all again?
God, I hope not. But I would definitely refer a friend.
Yeah. So how would you rate your experience on a scale of 1 to 10?
It's not even on the 10 scale. Everybody in the office made me feel very comfortable and catered to my scheduling, and just unbelievably, definitely a 10 or plus. You know, if it was a 12, it'd be a 12.
All right. And you're happy with your smile and the way the teeth turned out?
Yeah, very happy.
All right, let's see what it looks like there. And all right, and what else?
Sally sells sand dollars by the seashore. Oh, and I have no anymore.
Yeah.
So I'm quite happy with that. Yeah.
Yeah. So your speech and everything is great too.
Very good. Very good.
All right. So we're really happy that you came to see us, and we're happy we were able to really provide the best care for you. And is there anything else you want to add?
No, just thank you very much, and I appreciate everything you've done in your office.
Who would you say the best person to see for a situation like yours is?
Well, I would say Dr. Jenkins.